Transposing a 1D NumPy array. I use Python and NumPy and have some problems with transpose. Invoking a .t is not transposing the array. If it is, for example, comma, then it transposes correctly, but I need the transpose of ...
It's working exactly as it's supposed to. The transpose of a 1D array is still a 1D array. If you're used to MATLAB, it fundamentally doesn't have a concept of a 1D array. MATLAB's 1D arrays are 2D. If you want to turn your 1D vector into a 2D array and then transpose it, just slice it with np.newAxis, or none, they're the same, newAxis is just more readable. Generally speaking though, you don't ever need to worry about this. Adding the extra dimension is usually not what you want, if you're just doing it out of habit. NumPy will automatically broadcast a 1D array when doing various calculations. There's usually no need to distinguish between a row vector and a column vector, neither of which are vectors. They're both 2D, when you just want a vector.
Use 2 bracket pairs instead of 1. This creates a 2D array which can be transposed, unlike the 1D array you create if you use 1 bracket pair. More thorough example. Use NumPy's shape method to see what is going on here.
You can convert an existing vector into a matrix by wrapping it in an extra set of square brackets. NumPy also has a matrix class, see array versus matrix.
NumPy 1D array dash, column slash row matrix. And as Jokington said, you can replace none with np.newAxis for readability.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.